Azo, Complete Feminine Balance, Daily Probiotic, 30 once daily capsules. Product Overview Description. Daily Probiotic, clinically proven to maintain feminine health, restores the natural balance of good bacteria and yeast, helps protect natural defenses to protect vaginal health, helps maintain a health pH, clinically shown to work in 7 days. Superscript 1, safe for pregnant women with the power of Intelliflora, 4 unique strains. Dietary Supplement, 5 billion active cultures. A solution as unique as your feminine health needs. Maintaining feminine health is quite the balancing act. But let's be honest, issues can happen. Stress, your period, sex, hygiene, and even certain medications can disrupt your vaginal environment and throw off pH, leaving you feeling anything but balanced. To the rescue, Azo Complete Feminine Balance. It works differently because it contains Intelliflora, the only clinically proven blend with the 4 lactobacilli species most commonly found in healthy women. Intelliflora helps to restore the natural balance of good bacteria and yeast to maintain vaginal health. With the power of Intelliflora, 4 unique strains. Proven to help support natural defenses to protect your vaginal health. Works naturally with a woman's body to help maintain a healthy pH. Clinically show to work in 7 days. Because you have occasional feminine issues, you don't need a probiotic designed for gut health, you need something formulated specially for vaginal health. Trust Azo Complete Feminine Balance, a once daily oral capsule proven to maintain feminine health. Beneficial for all women. Safe for pregnant women. Designed to help keep women healthy. Own your day. Azo values. We believe in open, honest conversations about women's health. We believe in helping you take charge of your health. We believe in helping you live your life to the fullest. We believe in delivering the best urinary, vaginal, and bladder health products available. We believe in helping you own your day. Superscript 1, results demonstrated in clinical studies using the probiotic blend in this product. Suggested use. Take orally. 1 capsule daily. May be taken any time of day, with or without food. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose, fructooligosaccharides, magnesium stearate, silicon dioxide, titanium dioxide, color, caramel, color. Contains no of the following: artificial dyes, preservatives, dairy, lactose, milk, gluten, yeast, soy or gelatin. Sugar-free. Carrot. Carrot not a reduced calorie food. Warnings. Storage instructions. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Caution. As with any dietary supplement, please inform your healthcare professional before taking. Keep out of reach of children. Tamper evident. Do not use this product if safety seal bearing sealed for your protection under cap is missing. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.